I forgot one thing at home that I need to grab real quick. That's actually pretty relevant to my day. So we're having a nice overcast day, and it's not too often you get a nice overcast, windy day. And there's a particular photo that I always miss because I just miss it. So today I want to get that photo so I don't forget it. Forgot my backpack. Got my camera in there. My dog probably hates that I come and go like this. It's confusing to her. She doesn't know why I'm back for like 2 seconds and why I'm leaving again. And I mean, I bet that bothers her like a lot. I didn't find a single thing at Michael's. Not one thing that I wanted, not one thing that I liked. The store is beautiful though. It's beautiful. I mean, it definitely did a good job on like new layout. The one issue I have was slightly concerning. Is that it feels like the store's closer together. Like they got more stuff in there, and things are organized a little bit better. They do got new security cameras to the pins and marker area. I was playing with that, waving to it, and just having a jolly good old time. But the store feels like it's closer, just a little bit. I don't know what's going on. It's annoying. Oh crap! Whoa! Somehow we ended out back in my car at a park. And the only thing I think of while we're at the park is because we're gonna fly a drone. So I got the Mavic Air 2 that I'm gonna put in the air. It's been a little while since I've flown a drone, and I have the wedding that's coming up this weekend. I think I'm gonna do some drone coverage if the weather permits. It might rain this weekend, but it's been a while since I've flown a drone, and I kind of need to practice a little bit. Mainly because I just haven't flown, and I haven't decided like how I'm going to shoot yet. I think I'm going to shoot everything in 60 frames per second this weekend. If you don't know, I only shoot like events in like 60 frames per second, which is probably going to make some people upset. But for the most part, like 60 frames per second works for my workflow, and it's easier for me to adjust everything as I need to go. So, you know, I'm using, 1/25th of a second for shutter speed. So I'm cutting down some light that's coming in. That means I don't have to go as deep with my ND filter, or depending on like how the overcast is, I may not need an ND filter. And if I want to slow some footage down, I can slow footage down. If I want to leave it at normal speed, I can leave it at normal speed. And, depending how I shoot, 60 frames can look like 30 frames per second. And I don't know, just like people are weird when you say you're shooting only 60, like they're expecting 24 for that cinematic look. But, we classify cinematic as 24 frames per second, but what is cinematic? You know, like I know what the industry standard is, but cinematic can be whatever you want it to be. It's cinematic to you. The one downside to this park is that it's all gravel, so it's really hard to find a spot to take off, and I don't have a flight pad with me, so I'm just gonna launch from the top of my car and see how that goes.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So I do this thing every single time where I let the drone kind of fly till it dies, and well, I got back in with like 30 seconds left on the battery, so that's never good. Yeah, I need to get this home. I only brought one battery, forced myself to go home after this, so I made every shot count just like I would if I was actually out and about at a wedding.